Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S channel. In today's video, I am going to show you my all-time favorite weight loss tea. Okay, this tea right here, if you are on the diet, you're trying to lose weight, this is the perfect tea for you to try at home. So please watch this video to the end because it's gonna benefit you really well. So stay tuned and let's get started. So now I have in my water, I am going to wash in my ingredients. So I have in my fresh turmeric. Yeah, right here, this turmeric has a really good health benefit to it, and I'm going to add in some lime or lemon. And coming next, I have in ginger roots. Yeah, so after we add it, we are going to wash them really nice. And please guys, when you get time, do research and find out the health benefits of all these ingredients and what it does. It's really good for you. So after that, I'm going to use aloe vera. Right here in Ghana, we have this everywhere and it is really available wherever you are. So wash it really nice, and then after that, we are going to cut all our ingredients into pieces. So trust me, with this tea you will love, you don't have to worry about buying the tea, you know, from the store, because that tea bag can even cost you like $4. So now you can make it at home. Please take advantage of it and then make it fresh as possible as you can. So all these ingredients that I'm using right here, I use it for my weight loss tea and it really helped me. And with this one, make sure that you serve it during morning time. When you wake up in the morning, this is the best or the perfect time to serve this tea. So next, I am going to turn my oven on into a high medium heat, and we're going to add all our ingredients in it. So first, we are going to start with our turmeric. And guys, I am going to leave all the ingredients in the description box below, so please feel free and check it out. This tea, it is so healthy, trust me. Trying to lose weight, it is not easy. It is always a struggle. So with our pot, I'm going to fill with a lot of water. So the bigger the pot is, the better. So make sure that you fill your pot up. And I'm going to add in some fresh basil. Yeah, it is very good. And also I am going to add my mint. So you can add any amount of your choice depending the amount that you're gonna make right now. So if you are making like a big jar, I'm gonna recommend that you add all. And I have in here some cinnamon stick. With cinnamon, if you're in Ghana, you can get it from your local store or the fresh markets. They sell it everywhere. And I'm adding in a handful of black pepper. Yeah, black pepper, I think you can get some from ShopRite if you're in Ghana. And then just cover it and leave it to boil. So right now we are leaving it to boil for about 15 minutes, and it's been boiling for 7 minutes so far. And as you can see, the color has begun to form and changed. That's the perfect way for you to notice that it is getting done. For this tea, you don't have to cook it really long, because it's so easy. It is all natural and fresh. So I'm gonna recommend you that you just let it boil for at least 15 minutes, and it will be ready. So as you can tell, I am stirring. It is now ready and you can see the difference. So now our tea is nicely hot. I am gonna recommend you that you serve it hot. So with me, this is my morning routine. I usually drink tea every morning for my weight loss, and I am going to add in some collagen. Yes, collagen is really healthy for your nails and your skin. Some people ask, Papa, what are you using for your skin? Your skin is so beautiful. I am using collagen for my beautiful skin, and it just makes your skin look so flawless and beautiful. So right now I am adding in 2 scoops of collagen in there, and then if you want, you can add in a little bit of sweetener, which is maybe agave syrup or honey. Please don't add in sugar. So I'm adding in honey right here. This is about 1 teaspoon of honey, and just like that, give it a stir and drink it in the morning. So this is how I make my best weight loss, or if you are dieting tea. So I hope you will give it a try and leave me some feedback. So thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy. I hope you show you.